Okay, we're going to go over math, page 1077, page 33, regarding exponents and negatives. On this page, they're going over how to change negative exponents into positive. And the first example they give is going to be 2 to the negative third power, which is, this is the example they use. Okay, and then so 2 to the negative third power is the same as, I'm going to put it up here, over 1, okay, which is the same thing. So to make this positive, we need to invert the base so the exponent becomes a positive. Okay, so from here, what we're going to do, we're going to flip it. We're going to invert it. And it now becomes 1 over 2 to the third power. Okay. And then from there, we go ahead and start working the problem. So it's still 1 on the top. And then 2 to the third power is 2 times 2 times 2. Okay, 3 times. However many, whatever number is there, that's how many times you're going to be multiplying it by. And then you just work it out. So it's 1 again, and then 2 times 2 is 4. And then 4 times 2 is 8. Okay, so then this is your answer. All right. Now on the second half of the page, they're going over, now they're giving you a variable. Okay, the variable is a equals 1/2 and b equals 1/3. Okay, and then they're putting it into a fraction. So a to the a squared negative, okay, over b squared, and it's also a negative. Okay, so now they want you to fill in these variables with this information. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and just work that out slowly. So what they do, they get this amount. Okay, and we're just going to copy it the way it is. And then they're going to put the negative. We're just inserting the a information in the variable. Okay, and then you're going to put your division sign divided by b, which is 1/3. Okay, negatives squared. Okay, now we're going to start working it out. Okay, our object is to change it to positive. So we know that in order to change a negative exponent to positive, what do we have to do? We need to flip it. We need to invert. Okay, so that's what we're going to do now. So we're going to put the 2 on the top, and it now becomes a positive exponent. We're going to do the same thing, flip it. It becomes a positive exponent. Okay, then they want us to simplify. So what does that mean? We're going to end up changing it back to a whole number, okay, to make it simple. So 2 over 1 is the same thing as 2. Anything over 1 is the same thing as a whole number. Okay, so, and we're going to keep that exponent. And then the same thing with the denominator. Becomes a 3 with the positive exponent. And then we just have to work it out. 2 to the second power, or 2 squared, is the same thing as 2 times 2. 3 to the second power is the same as 3 times 3. 2 times 2 is 4. 3 times 3 is 9. And this is your answer. Okay? When you substitute 1/2 for there and 1/3 for here. So we plugged in the numbers. They're still negative. We flipped them. We inverted. Then we simplified. Changed it back to a whole number. And then worked it out. Hope that helps. Have a great day.